Well, hello and welcome to GP Support North's information miniseries all about sales order entry, showcasing the functionality and special tips for this Dynamics GP feature. But with that said, let's jump right into an overview on repeat orders. Over to you, Brittany.
Speaking of quick ways to get information inside of GP, I'm just going to go ahead and delete this return because I'm not actually going to process it, is what happens if a customer says, repeat my order from last week? I just want the same thing I had. You can actually go ahead, pick up your invoice, and if you notice from your from your actions button, you can go ahead and copy it to a new invoice number. Go ahead and copy everything. You can copy the lines, the drop ships, the salesperson, or pick and choose what you want to have. You can actually copy and preview. Oops. You can copy those invoices forward just to help ourselves get where we need to go. You can also copy another customer's order from one to the other. So if you said, oh, they want the same thing, they just want to be twinsies, you can copy one from the other, and that's actually just sitting inside of your actions bar underneath copy. Okay? Now, you can do this for pretty much anything, whether it's an order, a quote, an invoice, whatever you want, you can copy it later on. You can say to me, what if it's already in history? You can still copy it the same way. It will still be there for you. Okay?
Well, thanks, Brittany. What a great overview on repeat orders. For more episodes on sales order entry or how GP Support North can keep you on a successful digital transformation while staying on Dynamics GP, visit gpsupportnorth.com. Well, we'll see you there.